Ageless Creativity is about to begin, and you can pre-register now at hookingrugs.com. It is an online course about the beauty and strength of creativity as we get older. It is one thing that as we age, it can get stronger and more beautiful if we pay attention to it. The course includes some important things. First of all, there's over 8 hours of video lessons with me. There is a 100-page PDF of my creativity and aging journals over the last few years. And there is an online retreat at the end of the course on February 18th. So on the 7th, we're going to release the videos, and there is a great focus on self-portraiture and self-expression throughout the course so that we can discuss ageless creativity. And in the course, it will be released. The course videos will be released beginning the February 7th. Now you can watch them anytime. It's like all my other courses. It's there for you and you can watch it when you want to. And over the 2-week period, we'll release all the videos. But on the 18th, we're going to have a live retreat at 11 a.m. Atlantic time on Saturday morning. And you can join us or not join us because the retreat will be recorded. And it is an exciting new course that I'm excited because we can sink into the winter with this beautiful course that helps us focus on, and it's for any age because we're all aging at any point. But I have noticed that in my 50s, I have really grown creatively because I paid attention. I want to help you pay attention to your creativity. So join me at hookingrugs.com for Ageless Creativity. You can pre-register now.